UX slogan number 7 is UX is people. This is actually one of our newer slogans because I didn't coin it until 2018. But of course, it's been true all the time, even before I made it an official slogan. UX is people. It's not really about technology. It's not about computers. UX is about people in two ways. First and foremost, it's inherent in the very name user experience. It is about the users. And the most important point about users is that they are humans with very different characteristics than the computers they're using. That's why we need a special discipline to bridge the gap between these people and these computers. To design good user interfaces, we need to understand the characteristics of people. Yes, we also need to understand computers, but the people are what's important. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that the key point about UX is technology, because we're always designing any user interface for it to be delivered through a specific technology. But it's not really that important whether we're designing, let's say, a PC-based graphical user interface or a cloud-based web service or a phone-based app. Yes, the icons are going to look a bit different. Control elements like sliders will be a little different as well, depending on the technology. But the most important influence on the usability of the design will be things like our workflow design and whether it matches human needs, as well as the interaction architecture and things like the UX writing of anything from labels over menu items to instructions. The second way that UX is people is that it's about us, the UX professionals and our work processes and methods. UX lives through us as we are trying to design better products. And any UX advice needs to conform to the way we humans work in teams and organizations. So UX is both about matching design with human characteristics and about discovering processes that allow human designers to optimally deliver these user interfaces. In other words, UX is people.